Hello, welcome back, friends. So, are you ready? So start Brainbuster, general knowledge question with answer. Subscribe this channel. All right. So, let's go. Let's play quiz. Which of the following is coldest capital city of the world? A. New Delhi. B. Ulaanbaatar. C. Islamabad. D. Riyadh. Answer B. Ulaanbaatar. Côte d'Ivoire Fort is located in A. Khairpur. B. Karachi. C. Badin. D. Shikarpur. Answer A. Khairpur. Grasslands in Australia are called A. Downs. B. Pampas. C. Steppes. D. Prairies. Answer A. Downs. Who discovered China? A. Christopher Columbus. B. Vasco da Gama. C. Ibn Battuta. D. Marco Polo. Answer D. Marco Polo. Leviathan is a famous book of Thomas Hobbes. Written in A. 1641. B. 1651. C. 1671. D. None of these. Answer B. 1651. Which of the following political party is oldest party? In the UK? A. Labour Party. B. Conservative Party. C. Liberal Party. D. Green Party. Answer B. Conservative Party. When Labour Party of UK was established? A. 1900. B. 1901. C. 1902. D. 1903. Answer A. 1900. Quebec was the former colony of A. Italy. B. Britain. C. Spain. D. France. Answer D. France. The researchers of which country have developed renewable energy storage devices? A. Pakistan. B. India. C. UK. D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. The World Tourism Day observed every year on A. 25th September. B. 26th September. C. 27th September. D. 28th September. Answer C. 27th September. Nomadic people living in Central Asia were called A. Huns. B. Atalis. C. Mongols. D. Vas. Answer C. Mongols. Thanks for watching.